4W LED, Quickfit Blade Exit Light. Model number, EXQB4W. Directing safety. Buildings must have emergency exit signage. Even in the event of a power outage, this 4W LED, Quickfit Blade Exit Light, is intended to direct you to safety. Unique features. Energy saving. Australian approved AS 2293.3. Environmentally friendly. Suits 24m viewing distances. Quick and easy installation. Ceiling mountable. Low wattage and low energy consumption. Contact us. Browse our selection to find the exit light that best match your requirements. Visit www.firefactory.com.au. Call +61 297 56 0087. Email sales@firefactory.net.au.